Welcome to the Waterfall Utopia relaxation. Sit in your favourite chair and make yourself comfortable. Make sure you're not too hot or cold and your clothes are not tight or restricting. Watch the ever-changing, calming waterfall pictures as you relax deeper and deeper into yourself. Breathe in slowly and deeply. Hold it and count to 5 slowly. Breathe out slowly and fully. Hold it and count to 5 slowly. Continue to breathe in and out slowly, deeply and fully. Feel your whole mind and body relax and unwind. Imagine you're going on a nice, long, leisurely walk. The sun is shining and you feel warm and content. You enter a beautiful, lush green forest. You tread the soft earth and smell the grass, vegetation and foliage. Birds are singing, butterflies flutter around you. Keep walking deeper into the forest. Suddenly you come to a magnificent waterfall. Sit down on the soft grass and wonder at its beauty, so calming and tranquil. You watch and listen as the water cascades into a pool below the tumbling waterfall, gently splashing and spraying into the air. You are completely relaxed by the tranquility of the scene before you. Continue to breathe slowly and deeply. Allow all your senses to enjoy the waterfall. Feel as all your anxiety and negativity evaporates into the cooling spray. You feel refreshed, revitalized, and positive. Slowly you stand and walk back to the forest entrance. Your mind and body are completely at ease, ready to face the world. You have been to Waterfall Utopia and have been blessed by its power to refresh all who enter. Enjoy the rest of the day.